Unpacking. Been playing Elden Ring all night. I thought I'd, you know, just chill out for a bit with an easy game like this. I'll get everything out and see where I want to put it. I put that in there? Nah, too much. Put it in there. Why not? Picture. Of a horse, I guess. I'll put a picture over here. Boosh. Picture. Simon Says can get in the cupboard. Nobody cares what Simon says. Come on. What the hell is that? What is this? A rubber? Oh, it's a dreidel. Okay. Put that down there. Rubik's Cube. Love one of these. Also in there, though, to be honest. Because, oh, a trash can. Yeah, put it there. What do we got here? Who knows? Let's chuck it in here. Procedure. I love it. It's like operation, but it's not. Well, you got all the books to line up. Oh, what the hell is that? Oh, is that like an original Game Boy? That's like one of the Game Boys you'd get from like a cereal box back in like 2006. I'll put it in here as well. All the games go in here. I don't know what this is. What is this? No, put it in here. No, move. There we go. How? Oh, right. This is 97. I forgot about that. I was gonna say how old is this? Oh, I can now take. Oh, I got an achievement. Make some memories. Oh, got another achievement. No, I'm kidding. My achievements popped twice because PC, I guess. I don't know. All right. What'd I get? They're in the wrong place. There. On the bed. Ah, easy peasy, boys. 2004, a solid 7-year jump. All right. Oh, yo, look at that CRT monitor. Love it. Putting this up here, obviously. Facing the wall, because, I mean, why else would you have it? Alright. Man, the mechanics in this game are quite elaborate. FromSoft should actually learn from this game to make their next Elden Ring game, which is going to be called Elden... Shit. More shoes. F. Alright, well, realistically speaking, I'm going to have these up here, because in real life I would wear these more than I would wear these. So let's do that. Oh, where's the other one? Right, let's get the PC out of the box. Oh, get polystyrene and everything. Let's go. Is this gonna turn into PC building simulator? Like where I have to actually wire everything up? No, bruh. Is my character like tall enough to reach this? Because they're on the top shelf. Oh yeah, definitely have this above the PC. Let's go. What's this? Oh, the thing. The hell is that? A sock? Oh, look at that. 148,800 exact. Oh, toaster. What the fuck would I have a toaster in my dorm for? Like, first off, Rubik's Cube again. Alright, good. It's making a comeback. Love it. What else we got? More socks. Alright. GG. Alright, I reckon the rest of this box is going to be socks. Oh, t-shirt. T-shirt there. Uno Mas box for this room. It's fine. Look, if I can beat Godric the Grafted, I can beat this. Oh, there's the alarm clock. Bush. A frying pan. Alright, that has to go in there because that like fits perfectly. So, enough of that. What is this? I don't know, like a hand towel or something. Put it up here. Towel. Oh, the bathroom, the kitchen's coming together. By the way, this. Oh my god, it's coming together. Actual professional designer of a kitchen. What the hell is this? Raid. Raid can go in there away from all the food and shit. Josh Foreman, is that a bad boy right here? Hello? Can you, that'll do. What is this, like, a bin liner? No, put it in there. Okay. No! Oh my god, the bowls can stack. 10 out of 10 game. Pepper? Man, what a cluttered ass place. Why not? Actually, can I put this in here? Yeah, sure, why not? Here? No. Oh, bed? Ah. Bed. Right. Is that it? Alright, cool. Alright, where's this meant to be then? Like. Oh! I have to move it back one position. Cool. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on TikTok. I don't know about TikTok. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.